Welcome back, guys. I'm back from funeral. I'm heading to home. I'm going to give my body a little rest so that I can continue with what we call content. So right about now, I'm heading home. Guys, you can see this is our what we call our way to home. This is our road. We have MCS, but they don't work. As you can see, this is a hole, big hole. Okay, the road was passing from the other side to this side, but as you can see, the hole, there was a sinkhole in the middle of the what we call a road. So, and as you can see, guys, students pass here going to school, but they have difficulties due to that hole. But MCS are around just resting, they can't work. So we are waiting for the next season so that we can choose another MCA. So we see maybe he may work or not. So guys, I've reached the what we call the river. I've used another way. While I was going to the funeral, I used the other way, which was very heavy for me. So I've just decided to use this simple way. This way is just it don't have a very heavy hill, but the matter with this what we call a road is just it's having so many holes, guys, as you can see. So I've reached the river. This is the river. They know what we call a bridge. So I'll just do what? I'll just step here. You step on this stone, on the other stone, on this stone. Just simple as that. So you need to be very careful so that you can't do what? You can't sink inside the water. So I'm done crossing the river. So guys, I'm heading home. I don't know what's going to happen. So chill with me here. Guys, if you are new in my channel, kindly guys subscribe to my channel, like and share. I don't need a very big thing, just as simple as that, guys. So as you can see, I've decided to pass to my what we call garden. This was the garden that was affected by hailstone, but God is great. I can see what we call my maize have just started rising again. As you can see, guys, this is this is a maize. They have started growing afresh with power, guys. So I won't walk to this garden so long because I can't walk there. I can't walk there for long because I'm tired, I'm exhausted, I have to rest. So I'm heading to home sweet home, guys. Look the way our road looks like. Very ugly, as you can see, very ugly. And we have what we call MCS. They are just resting. So guys, mambo ni live, mambo ni vulai. This is a proverb from Kenyan people. Guys, I can hear, but let me just head to home. I don't want so many stories with people. So let me just head home. Guys, as you can see, these were bushes, guys. The hailstone affected them. There was a very on my previous video I posted about what we call a hailstone, very heavy rainfall that affected us. It was accompanied by what we call a very heavy hailstone. So guys, these were bushy, but due to hailstone their leaves dried up, so they remained what we call sticks, and stems, whatever. So guys, I'm almost reaching home. So guys, okay, the reason to why I didn't recorded a video at the funeral, they refused. They said there is no recording, any recording is allowed here. So we just, all the YouTubers, we just decided to switch off the cameras, because the reason why they refused is because people were many people who were recording were so many, so they refused, that people are not concentrating to what brought them there. So we were just okay. They said that we gone there to create content, which it was wrong. So we decided to follow the instructions, guys. So the way is very long, but I'll reach there. Okay guys, it is what it is. Okay, I'm coming from that far end, guys. I've come from that far end. I'm almost reaching home. There is my home. So guys, the other time I used the other way, very long way, and the funeral is on this side. So it is what it is, guys. God is great. I was in a call actually, that's why I didn't do what my camera went off, so I was in a call. So guys, God is grateful. As you can see, there was a hailstone, but still you can see on the shambas, the gardens, the maize are rising again. God is shaming the devil, guys. So I'm almost reaching home. Okay guys, I was in a call. Someone told me I have to go to the hospital to see my dad. He told me my dad is so sick, he's very sick. I have to reach there. So let me just go and change clothes, then I'll show you. I'll just go there, and so on and so on. Guys, hey, the sun is so hot. The sun is so hot. I don't know. Let me just, hey, even I'm thirsty. I have to reach my neighbor so that he can help me with water. And that goes, oh my God. The rain is not rain, but the sunlight. Okay, as you can see, I've reached almost there. Oh my God. Odi. Tadu. Niaje. I'm recording a content. Okay, help me with what we call water, drinking water. Chani simamishe kamera. So guys, I've just drank water. How do they say drunken water or drunk? Yes, yes, I've taken water. Sindo, that is the best term. So they refused. They told me, even they told me you should switch off that your camera before we give you water, before you doing anything. So I just switch off the camera, guys. People in our village, they are like that. They are like that guy. So that is it. So let me go home. Let me reach my home, guys. I'm almost reaching there. So guys, I can see my camera is almost shutting down. I didn't charge it because I was at funeral. There was no power there. So guys, let us end our video here. Guys, let us meet in the next video, as I'm going to charge the phone for 20 minutes. Okay, I'll show you on my way to the hospital. I will record again. Even not only on my way, but even when I reach at hospital, I will record, and so on and so on, guys. Thank you for watching my videos.